Stop. Before you get a GoHenry card for your child, listen. It sounds convenient, but there are important fees and limits to know. Monthly subscription, card top-up fees, ATM charges, they add up fast. Parental controls exist, but allowances, spending rules, and alerts vary. Some parents find the controls clunky and young teens can work around them. Also consider protections. Is the money covered if the card is lost or stolen? Ask 3 questions. What are the exact fees? Who covers losses? And how do controls work? Compare alternatives, bank youth accounts, prepaid cards, and parental managed accounts. Look for low fees, clear freeze functions, spending limits, and strong customer support. Tip: read the terms, check hidden charges, test the app, and talk to other parents. If you're unsure, pause this decision and research options side by side. Do your homework, compare, ask questions, and choose the safest, lowest cost option.